Okay. Question is, what are the 7 deadly sins? I still don't get it. Okay, the phrase itself, the 7 deadly sins, is actually not even in the Bible. The sins themselves are there's pride, greed, envy, wrath, lust, gluttony, and sloth. But the grouping itself is actually more of a Catholic thing. I'm not going to go into depth onto why they consider those like the 7 deadly sins. I've gotten a few different responses on that, but I will try and clear up any misconceptions on the group itself. First off, Romans 6:23 teaches that all sin leads to death. So, technically speaking, all sin is deadly. On top of that, James 2:10, in God's opinion, all sin is the same. He says if you break one part of the law, then you break it all. And on top of that, I was reading that there's sins that can't be forgiven, which isn't true. You can clear that up with Matthew 26, Acts 10, Ephesians 1. One of the things I read was that basically almost all sin is like encompassed within these 7, the group of 7 itself. But I mean, if you look at the first 2 commandments, it's one God and obey only that God. If pride sets in, then you're inverting yourself with God, and then that's where you choose to do anything you want and you put yourself above God. So I guess pride itself is like the stepping stone to all sin, and that would be, that would encompass all sin itself as opposed to like that group of 7. So that's that.